x is equal to the root of x using the first principle. A solution to this question, the symbol. So we know that the first principle says fx is equal to the limit h tends to 0 fx plus h minus fx out of h. And this is the first principle. So the question is now simple. So the question was fx is equal to the root of x. It is now x plus h. Instead of x, x plus h. X plus h minus the original function, which was the root of x minus the root of x out of h. And so at this point, we now recall the knowledge of sets. For example, when we talk about 1 out of root a minus p, we say for you to solve this, you use a conjugate times root a plus p. You multiply with a conjugate in both the numerator and the denominator. So times the root of a plus p. It's plus, it's minus, then plus. This is sets, and therefore this knowledge we will now apply it here. So now at this point, this times our conjugate, this now times the root of x plus h under root plus root x out of the root of x plus h plus the root of x. And therefore we now multiply this one, and then this times this. But remember, there was the limit. So it is fx, and then the limit as h tends to 0. So at this point, let us work out the numerator. It is the root of x plus h minus the root of x. But you can be able to realize this one is a difference of two squares. It is like a plus b, a minus p. And therefore, this one, we can write it to be squared. Remember, a plus p, a minus p can be written as a minus p squared. So having written this, and therefore it means the square. We are saying this like a difference of two squares, and therefore this square and this square root goes, and then we remain with x plus h, and therefore it means this square root will remain minus x. This one and this one goes, this plus x minus x is 0, remain with h. Let us come to the denominator. We're done with the numerator, so it is fx is equal to, instead of the numerator we have h out of it is the limit fx, the limit is equal to the limit as h tends to 0, h in out of h times this, h into root of x plus h plus the root of x. But remember, the change, that is a h tends to 0. So this h goes, and where we have h, we now substitute with this 0. And therefore, at this h, let us put 0, it is x plus 0, which remains the root of x. So it's simply 1 out of the root of x, then plus the root of x, which is simply 1 out of 2 the root of x. And this is therefore our final answer. Please, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to promote my channel. Thank you so much.